Join me as I dive deep into a head-to-head challenge to find out which software is truly the best, Revit or AutoCAD. When it comes to architectural design and drafting, having the right software can make all the difference. The tools you choose can significantly impact your workflow, productivity, and ultimately, the quality of your designs. Revit and AutoCAD are two of the most popular software options in the industry, each with its unique strengths and weaknesses. Revit is known for its powerful building information modeling capabilities, allowing users to create detailed 3D models of buildings and infrastructure projects. AutoCAD, on the other hand, is a more traditional computer-aided design software, ideal for 2D drafting and precise modeling. One of Revit's major strengths is its ability to facilitate collaboration and data-driven decision-making. Its BIM features enable architects, engineers, and contractors to work together seamlessly, reducing errors and miscommunications. AutoCAD, while not having the same level of BIM capabilities, excels in 2D drafting and has a more straightforward learning curve. Revit's 3D modeling capabilities also allow for more accurate visualizations and simulations, helping architects and designers to better communicate their ideas to clients. However, some users find Revit's interface and workflow to be more complex compared to AutoCAD. AutoCAD, with its long history, has a large user community and a wide range of compatible third-party software. Let's take a closer look at some key functionalities. When it comes to 2D drafting, AutoCAD is hard to beat, offering a wide range of tools and commands for precise drawing and editing. Revit, while capable of 2D drafting, is more geared towards 3D modeling and BIM. In terms of 3D modeling, Revit shines with its robust BIM features, allowing users to create detailed models with accurate data. For instance, in a project that requires precise coordination between architects, engineers, and contractors, Revit's BIM capabilities can save time and reduce errors. However, for smaller projects or those that primarily require 2D drafting, AutoCAD might be a more suitable choice. Its streamlined interface and familiar commands make it an excellent option for users who want to get started quickly. Another important aspect to consider is the learning curve. AutoCAD has a more traditional interface and workflow, making it easier for new users to pick up. Revit, with its BIM-centric approach, requires a bit more time and effort to master. In conclusion, both Revit and AutoCAD are powerful software options, each with its strengths and weaknesses. The best software for you will depend on your individual project needs and personal preferences. If you're working on a large-scale project that requires detailed 3D modeling and BIM, Revit might be the better choice. On the other hand, if you're primarily working on 2D drafting or smaller projects, AutoCAD could be more suitable. It's essential to evaluate your specific requirements and workflow before making a decision. Consider factors such as project complexity, team collaboration, and your own comfort level with the software. Ultimately, the choice between Revit and AutoCAD comes down to what works best for you and your projects. I'd love to hear about your experiences with these software options. If you've worked with Revit or AutoCAD on a project, share your stories in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about design software, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights and comparisons.